Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use fresh thyme to make a kind of salad like never before. It's fresh, it's delicious, and it's just one of the many benefits of using fresh thyme. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell icon. So let's get started. Number 1. Get your leaves and branches into a large salad bowl. When you get your leaves and branches ready, it's time to prime the salad for cooking. If you're using your own kitchen, you can, of course, use a slow cooker or pressure cooker. However, we prefer to use a large salad bowl. This bowl should be filled with vegetables and everything else that makes up a salad. A bowl big enough for a bowl of salad is a great option. If you're using a food processor, be sure to pulse the ingredients a couple of times to get everything just the right texture. Number 2. Toss the leaves and branches with thyme oil or butter. When you get your leaves and branches ready for sautéing or roasting, it's time to treat them to the special oils found only in fresh herbs. It's best to use a brand that has been steeped in fresh herbs for a month. After that, you can use it as is or add essential oils to create a savory salad dressing. You can also add in some roasted nuts or seeds to complete the look. Number 3. You can also use a pan fryer to cook the leaves. Waxing all fours, we have a super simple method to make use of the special oils found only in fresh herbs. Weigh the herbs and make sure they are at least 1.5 pounds each. Put them in a large salad bowl and drizzle olive oil or butter over them. Cover the bowl with a lid or a plate and sweat the leaves in a skillet over medium-low heat until lightly caramelized about 5 minutes. Turn the leaves occasionally to ensure even browning. Number 4. Place the salad in a serving dish and top. Serve the salad together with your favorite seasonings, drizzled on top if desired. You can also serve it as is or with roasted veggies or poultry. We like to top our salads with a drizzle of lemon vinaigrette or lemon pepper butter. Number 5. Finally, enjoy the fresh thyme salad. Try it with different foods: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and you'll find that the combination works well with almost any kind of food. Try serving it at room temperature or with low-fat or low-sodium ingredients to make it more palatable. It is also great to mix into your smoothie or shake, as it has a good amount of fiber and water content. Toss it in your favorite drink, such as iced coffee or water, and you have a savory, healthy snack. Or, you can make a bowl of oatmeal with it and add it to the equation for a complete breakfast or lunch item. Okay guys, this is how to use fresh thyme to make a kind of salad. If you like this video, check out our other videos. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.